Okay, I wanted to give a little overview of how you access the modules under CECO. So once you've already made an account through the California Early Childhood Online, you are going to go to the dashboard. See where it says My Dashboard. So I'm going to click onto that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get to the modules. So what modules you have in process, what you've completed, and then the modules that are available. And so I'm going to click down here on the modules that are available. Well, I actually started it right here, but you're going to go over here to DRDP 2015 for use with infants and toddlers. So you're going to click on that one. And then it's going to take you to the 4 modules. And what you're going to do is you're going to start module 1. You'll go through the whole module. And at the end, you'll get a certificate. And so the certificate, you click get your certificate. The certificate will open up, and you will save that. And that is what you will submit for your lab assignment.